Hi, it's time to find out how many hazel saplings we have in this big box. I took about 15 or 20 out, and there should be about 250, 300 saplings in there. I put about 900 seeds, not all sprouted. So now we'll find out how many saplings we actually have. I have a big order, so I need to sort them out today and tomorrow and let the person know how many saplings I actually have left to sell. But yeah, I'll sort them in buckets, take them out and sort them in bunches of 10, and I'll let you know how that goes. It's almost 10:30 in the morning, so we'll see how long it takes me to sort this large airplane box. Last look at them as they are now. They're starting to bud out. I've sorted about half of the box, maybe more. I have 60 trees in the yellow bucket, sorted in bunches of 10, and they're of various sizes. Some of them are larger than I expected for some reason. I mean, I did see them in the box, but yeah, some are really large, which I'm really pleased about. And we've got about 20 in the black bucket and many smaller ones. I haven't counted those, but yeah, about 100 trees, but maybe like 80 sellable in these two buckets, and however many we have in here. And it's so nice to see the mycelium. And the trees, the saplings are so easy to pull out, as you might have seen in the previous videos. Much easier than digging, that's for certain. And isn't this nice to have as an office? Outdoor office. Very nice. Okay, come back to you when I'm finished, maybe. Okay, I finished emptying the largest airplane box, as you can see, and we have 200 sellable saplings of the larger size, and we also have 100 of this smaller size. There's 16 there, 17 there actually, and 30. I haven't counted these ones because they're too small. They'll be staying in the garden. But yeah, that's what came from this. About 200, 300 saplings, various sizes. I'm very pleased with these ones. These are much smaller, but the roots are really strong. They're as strong as the tall ones, or even stronger in some cases. They have really well developed roots. I think the air pruning bed did its job properly. These ones are a bit thin, but they still have quite strong roots. But these ones are amazing. Although they're small, they will develop very well. So this is it. Now that I empty these, I will prepare the soil to put in the other cobnuts for the 2025 season. Beautiful soil to pull the saplings out from. Hopefully the next time I show you this area, we'll have some larger prune boxes, new ones, newly built ones. Okay, thank you for watching and joining me in my outdoor office. It's about 2:30 now. I finished around 2, but I was eating an apple, I was taking pictures, so it's about 2:30 now. But yeah, I started around 10, I think, 10:30 until 2, just taking my time. But yeah, job done for today. Just need to think about the prices for the customer who asked if she really wants to buy all of them, which would be amazing. But yeah, a quick video to show you as well how the roots look like on these very small saplings, which I normally wouldn't want to sell. I would leave them in the garden to grow for another year, but because I'm very confident they will develop very well, I am offering them for sale this spring if people wish to buy them. So let's have a look. As you can see, maybe you can pick up, the soil is quite dark, so not sure if you can see the mound well, but I made a mound all the way around the roots, on top of the roots, to protect them. So let's take a few out and see how developed they are. As you can see, actually I'll move the soil away. So you can see they're almost as long, if not longer, than what's on top of the soil. So you can see why I'm so confident in these thriving once planted. I think it's not zooming very well because it's, yeah. So that's one. You know, I don't want to take all of them out. Some are smaller, as you can see, but again, they're very well developed. They will probably have to be trimmed a bit as well in some cases, because otherwise we'll have to dig really deep holes, and I think we can safely trim some of them a bit, because as you can see, that's too much root almost. Too many roots almost. Let's see, the sun is beautifully shining, but yeah, I hope you can see it well. So yeah, amazing roots. I'm really pleased with them. So even if they didn't develop vertically as much, they're thick enough. They're not like thin. Some of them are thin, but not in this bunch. So yeah, you can see some of the wine cap mycelium in there. So yeah, they're beautiful saplings. I'm gonna put them back in. So this is what I wanted to show you, to give you a better idea of how the roots look like, in case you haven't seen my other videos. It's beautiful, in my opinion, at least. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching.